Tone change is a special occurrence that happens in a tonal language, such as Mandarin Chinese, where the tone of a character changes depending on the adjacent word. In this video, we're going to learn 4 most common tone changes. Case 1. Third tone and a third tone. When you see 2 third tones together, the first third tone becomes a second tone. Instead of saying 你好, we say 你好. Instead of 可以, we say 可以. Instead of 手表, we say 手表. Keep this tone change in mind as this change is often not labeled. Case 2. 不 followed by a fourth tone. 不. By default, 不, this specific character, is a fourth tone. However, when it is followed by another fourth tone, we pronounce it in second tone. Instead of 不是, we say 不是. Instead of 不要, we say 不要. Instead of 不在, we say 不在. Let's hear them one more time. 不是, 不要, 不在. Keep this tone change in mind as this change is often not labeled. Case 3. 一 followed by a fourth tone. 一. By default, 一, this specific character, is a first tone character. However, when it's followed by a fourth tone character, we pronounce 一 in second tone. Instead of 一个人, we say 一个人. Instead of 一次, we say 一次. Instead of 一下, we say 一下. Let's hear them one more time. 一个人, 一次, 一下. Keep this tone change in mind as this change is often not labeled. Case 4. 一 followed by a first, second, or a third tone. 一 By default, 一, this specific character, is pronounced in first tone. However, when it's followed by anything other than a fourth tone, we pronounce 一 in fourth tone. Instead of 一些, we say 一些. Instead of 一天, we say 一天. Instead of 一年, we say 一年. Let's hear them one more time. 一些, 一天, 一年. However, there are exceptions. Check out the exceptions in the description. Keep this tone change in mind as this change is often not labeled. Check the links in the description for resources, PDFs, and additional videos to help you learn Chinese more effectively. Make sure to follow for more.